The Great Quake of 1906 that devastated San Francisco also rocked Northern California, instantly reducing most of downtown Fort Bragg's buildings to rubble. Many buildings were damaged. The devastation was widespread and overwhelming. As the townspeople determined they would rebuild, they realized there was too much debris to burn, so they chose to clear the huge amount of debris by dumping it in the ocean, thinking it would wash away. Much to their surprise, the debris did not wash out of the cove, creating an ocean dump. The California State Water Resources Control Board and city leaders closed the area in 1967. Various cleanup programs were undertaken through the years to correct the damage. Over the next several decades, the pounding waves cleansed the beach by breaking down everything but glass and pottery and tumbling those into the small, smooth, colored pieces that cover Glass Beach. Once you get there, you will see all of the small pieces of glass that are strewn all over the sand. The colorful pieces are taken the most, so much of what you see now are the clear/white pieces. In addition to marveling at all the ocean glass, Glass Beach has a very interesting array of tide pools to explore. Crabs, mollusks, and many aquatic plants make their homes in these ever-changing environments. It is very easy to spend some time exploring around the tide pools and watching the busy little worlds that go on inside each one.